Welcome to the video, Chapter 3, How Many Squares, Part 2. In this video, we are going to discuss about measuring area of regular and irregular shapes using 1 cm square grid, graph paper, solving simple problems related to the measurement of area and perimeter. Is the area of the blue shape more than the area of the yellow shape? Why? Look at the shape. No. From the given image, we can say that the area of blue shape is equal to the area of yellow shape because the yellow and blue shaped figures are divided into two triangles of equal areas. How many squares do the shapes cover? Let us draw lines on the yellow shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then on the blue shape, draw lines to get the squares. 6 squares in yellow shape. Total squares here is equal to 6 into 2, 12. So blue square is equal to 12 into 1 by 2 is equal to 6. Is the perimeter of the yellow shape more than the perimeter of the blue shape? Why? With the help of a ruler, we can able to find the length of the boundary of the blue shape and the length of the boundary of the yellow shape. Find the perimeter of these shapes. Yellow shape, boundary 2.3 cm, here 2.9 cm, then again 2.3 cm, again 2.9 cm. Blue shape 3.6 cm, another side also 3.6 cm, and here 5.7 cm. So perimeter of these shapes yellow shape 2.3 plus 2.9 plus 2.3 plus 2.9 is equal to 10.4 centimeter. Then the perimeter of blue shape 3.6 centimeter plus 3.6 centimeter plus 5.7 centimeter is equal to 12.9 centimeter. So the answer is no. The perimeter of the yellow shape is less than the perimeter of the blue shape. Write the area in square centimeter of the shapes below. Shape A. Draw the lines and count the squares. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Here half into 3 into 4 is equal to half into 12, that is equal to 6 square centimeter. Write the area of shape B. Let us draw lines here to get the squares. Area of shape B: 4 complete squares, 8 half squares and 4 quarter squares. So here total 4 plus half into 8 plus half into 4, that is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 9 square centimeter. Area of shape B is 9 square centimeter. Now the area of shape C: here 2 complete squares and 4 half squares. So 2 plus half into 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 square centimeter. Area of shape D: join the lines. Here we can see 5 complete squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 half squares. So area of shape D is equal to 5 plus half into 2, that is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 square centimeter. Area of shape E: now join the lines and count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 complete squares and 6 half squares. So area of shape E is equal to 18 plus half into 6 is equal to 18 plus 3 is equal to 21 square centimeter. Now area of shape F: 4 complete squares, 4 more than half and 4 quarter squares. So 4 plus 3 by 4 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 1, that is 8 square centimeter. Try triangles. The blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. Area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So the area of the blue triangle is dash square centimeter. Area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Area of the blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. So half into 20 is equal to 10 square centimeter. In it there are two halves of two different rectangles. Now you find the area of the two rectangles Sadiq is talking about. What is the area of the red triangle? Explain. Area of two rectangles is equal to area of orange rectangle plus area of green rectangle, that is 4 into 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 12 plus 8 is equal to 20 square centimeter. The orange rectangle contains 12 squares. So area of orange rectangle is equal to 12 square centimeter. Then green rectangle contains 8 squares. So the area of green rectangle is equal to 8 square centimeter. Area of the red triangle is equal to half into area of orange rectangle plus half into area of green rectangle, that is equal to half into 12 plus half into 8 is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 square centimeter. Complete the shape. Suruchi drew two sides of a shape. She asked a sheep to complete the shape with two more sides so that its area is 10 square centimeter. He completed the shape like this. Is he correct? Yes, he is correct. Explain how the green area is 4 square centimeter and the yellow area is 6 square centimeter. Area of green portion is equal to 2 complete square plus 4 half square is equal to 2 plus half into 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 square centimeter. Area of yellow portion is equal to 3 complete square plus 2 more half plus 2 half filled square is equal to 3 plus 2 plus half into 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6 square centimeter. Practice time. This is one of the sides of a shape. Complete the shape so that its area is 4 square centimeter. Now draw the other side to make it 4 square centimeter. Now count the squares. It is 4 square centimeter. 2 complete squares and 4 half squares. So 2 plus half into 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 square centimeter. Question number 2. Two sides of a shape are drawn here. Complete the shape by drawing 2 more sides so that its area is less than 2 square centimeter. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into 2 equal triangles. Draw one straight line here. Now it is divided into 2 equal triangles. What is the area of each of the triangles? Area of rectangle is equal to 10 into 2, 20 square centimeter. Then area of each triangle is equal to 20 into half, that is 10 square centimeter. Because it is given that straight line divides rectangle into 2 equal triangles. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into 2 equal rectangles. We can divide the rectangle into 2 equal rectangles like this, or like this. Now they are 2 equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangle? Area of big rectangle is equal to 20 square centimeter. So area of each smaller rectangle is equal to 20 into half, that is 10 square centimeter. Draw 2 straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into 1 rectangle and 2 equal triangles. First straight line to divide it into equal rectangles, then second line to divide it into 2 equal triangles. This is a rectangle of 10 square centimeter. This is the triangle, first triangle, and this is second triangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to half into area of given big rectangle, that is half into 20 is equal to 10 square centimeter. What is the area of each of the triangles? Area of each triangle is equal to half into area of smaller rectangle, that is half into 10 is equal to 5 square centimeter.